Welcome, here I've got Nokia 8.3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's move to this button, the second from the right. By just one tap here we can manage aspect ratio. Now we are in 4:3, let's pick this one from the left, 1:1. And as you can see, the background has changed to the square one. This is how it looks like. Also, when we tap here, we get access to 16:9 aspect ratio, so this is the longer one. And another tap to go to the right corner to the full one, and this is how it looks like. And of course, when we tap on this button once again, we can easily go back here to 4:3, the original one. This is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.